This is Amber. I cannot find Amber. Amber. Hi.
Hi. Hi guys. So today guys, we're gonna make some Play-Doh. Oops. First I will show you something.
What happened? Where is your tooth?
It just came out.
But we are first you need to tell what we are going to make.
We're gonna make a Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
So
Okay.
we can play with it every time we want.
All right. So
We have to cook the Play-Doh too.
do they need to subscribe to your channel?
Yeah.
Tell them.
Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Don't miss that. Always watch my video. Now we will just need a ball.
Okay, we need a ball.
Yeah,
Okay, that's a
we
ball.
need a
Show
ball.
your ball.
It's very shiny.
Shiny, shimmery, splendid.
Yeah.
Okay.
See mommy's low ball. There's a girl on there.
Okay, what else you need?
We need some flour.
Flour.
And we have this spoon to put it here.
Okay.
And we have these things to put anything in. This one is for mixing.
This one is for mixing. Okay. What's this?
This one, oh, lotion.
Why we need lotion?
Because it will need more nicer, and we will need some flour
Okay.
and some color.
That's color. I thought that's a food color.
Yeah, it's food color.
Okay. Let's do it.
Yeah.
So what do we need first?
The first thing is. Get all the lotion out.
Okay, which color you like?
I want the green.
Why not red, orange,
Pink.
pink?
How about pink?
Which one is pink?
This one.
Let me read. Yeah, pink.
Now I will put on the color.
I'll open it.
No, let me. I can do it by my own.
Okay. A little. Oops.
Oh.
A little more. Oops.
Now we're gonna mix. Give me the like this.
Okay.
Now time to mix. Okay, nice.
Nice color.
I told you.
It's pinky pinky.
The lotion is pink. Keep mixing.
Okay, we have flour now. I'll add now.
Just a little.
Okay, try.
The powder's getting. Oh, it's getting Play-Doh-y. And some Play-Doh. Ooh, that's pink. Now we will look like
This
this.
look like potato.
Yeah, we just need to dump it.
Start using your hand.
No, it needs to be like Play-Doh. Okay, we're almost finished.
I think we need to use our hand now.
Oh, it's not yet.
It's okay, you mix it well. Don't be scared. Very good.
Play-Doh. See my hand?
Now show it to mommy.
It's Play-Doh.
It's look like a Play-Doh. Make a ball.
You can make this in home. You cannot buy it from anywhere. You just make it at home.
Okay, you want to try another color now?
Yeah.
Okay, give me.
Oh,
let's show.
It's like slime.
It's like slime. Give it to me so
But-
we can change the color. Wow, it's nice.
Taste now, it's soft.
Now
It's very soft.
Can I try? I
Yeah.
want to try.
Watch.
Yeah, can I play with it?
Okay.
Wow. It's like Play-Doh.
I can make a dinosaur.
I can make a dinosaur.
Okay.
You'll make your own dinosaur.
But I don't have Play-Doh.
Okay, here's some Play-Doh.
But that's so small.
There's some more.
Okay. Let's make a dinosaur.
Yeah, I'm making a ball.
Let's see who will make a dinosaur first.
I'm making a ball.
Okay. So first I need a small neck, small face.
I'm making a ball. For
So
us
that's
to
my
make our...
face. You need to make a, you need to follow me. You need to copy
No,
me.
I'm making my own.
Okay.
I'm just playing with mine.
Okay.
You can make your dinosaur. And we just can do it.
I think I will just make a board.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
I need a little bit.
No, that's mine.
Okay.
Okay. I need a, you know, something on her face. Okay, give me a small one. You can keep it.
Oh, this one on me?
Yeah.
But you can have this.
Okay.
That's okay.
See? Mommy, see? That's a bird.
Make some eyes. Let's make another color.
My good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Oh.
4, 5, 6. Time to mix. Wow.
Mix well.
Daddy's enjoying with the other Play-Doh.
Yeah. I'll just make a snake.
You can play because this is my video, not yours.
Okay. See, I'm making a snake.
This is not your video, this is my video. Wow, that's big. Make a long snake, more long.
Okay. I think Daddy, you can put the flower
I
already.
want to do.
Okay, Mommy, she want to do it.
Okay.
Let me do
Skip the flower.
See? I want to do.
Okay, do it. There.
I can do it? Okay, let me put the ball.
Okay, that's enough.
Gonna make a Play-Doh. Okay, you just play with your snake. I can do it. Play with your snake.
Okay.
It's not your snake. Just play with your snake. I will play with my Play-Doh.
So yeah, you have a snake.
No,
Oh, the snake died.
oh, now it will be again like that. Oh, it's good.
The snake will bite you.
Where's the eyes, Daddy?
It's not yet ready. I can do it. We're almost done, guys. There, done.
Let's let Daddy see if it's done. It's
This is our Play-Doh.
okay. I'll make a bird.
Is it a nice Play-Doh? Nah.
Wow. See?
Is it a pizza?
No. You can make this at home. And subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Don't miss that